Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share to you a WeChat tutorial. In this tutorial I'm using a glitter foam sheet. Now I'm starting to cut the patterns. It's kinda look like a triangle. Now flip it. Then go grab your lid of jar. Then we start to draw a circle here. There you go. Now we get a cutting. Alright, we have two patterns here. I'm gonna start with this one, just rolling up, then add the glue, now wait for about 5 seconds to get dry. Okay, we have one here. Now you need to put aside. We start to making the other one. So you need to draw a little circle in the middle, just like this. Then we gotta cut it. Now all you have to do is adding the cone in the middle, put them together, add the glue around, so we gotta make them stick together. Look, we got a head here. Put aside. I'm gonna showing you the tool that I was using before. We gonna cover up the head. Just like that. I'm gonna fix a little with the glue. Okay, now the other one. Now we're gonna start to rolling the tool. And then we start to cover up the rest of the head. Okay, this is it. We have a witch hat here, and I got the black color too. Isn't it beautiful? So I hope you all enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.